Today's headlines from March 17th from Rahimi Lawyers, powered by freshnews.ai. Executive-level discipline turns a marriage-based green card into a controlled process, not a gamble, by tightening USCIS procedures, documentation, and interview readiness. Today's signal-structured marriage-based green card preparation is now the operating model that determines how reliably couples move from filing to approval on their planned timeline. Treating each case like a staged project with clear milestones, checklists, and interview simulations reduces avoidable USCIS delays and weak interview outcomes. With 2025 moves and job changes on the line, couples are prioritizing marriage-based immigration family unity by front-loading documentation interview readiness instead of reacting to USCIS notices. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, you can qualify couples faster and more accurately during initial consultations by mapping their timeline against realistic USCIS process stages. Second, you can position higher-value services by packaging documentation interview readiness as a clearly scoped support layer. Third, you can reduce post-filing panic calls by setting and reinforcing a step-by-step plan at intake. Fourth, you can improve referral conversion by showing a predictable path for help couples secure marriage-based green cards, not a vague promise. How it works in practice. Intake shifts from a loose story of the relationship to a structured checklist that ties life plans to filing windows, biometrics, and interview timing. You walk couples through a shared timeline that includes move dates, job transitions, and expected USCIS milestones. You then assign specific document tasks to each spouse with target dates and a simple status tracker. Before filing, you run a short mock interview focused on weak areas in their proof of a bona fide marriage. The couple sees a clear plan and understands what happens next at each USCIS process stage. One practical adjustment. This week, add a 1-page marriage-based green card timeline worksheet to a consultation and use it to outline documentation interview readiness tasks and an interview preparation date. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, create a standard intake checklist focused on bona fide marriage evidence and upcoming life changes. Second, design a simple status tracker for document collection that both spouses can follow. Third, draft a repeatable mock interview script that covers common USCIS questions and red flag areas. Fourth, update consultation talking points to present interview preparation as a core part of help couples secure marriage-based green cards. You were listening to Rahimi Lawyers, News and Insights. Read more at rahimilawyers.com.